Welcome back, guys, to Sound It, and I'm your host, Nasha Travis. So let's get it. What do you feel is the best between? Who do you feel is the best between Akila and Adasa? Akila and Adasa are both my friends. It's a little bit tricky to choose since both of them wanafanya vizuri kwa music industry in coast ama tuseme Kenya. But I feel like I'd say Akila. I feel like me na Akila we're rhyming, unaona tunapatana way more easily. Adasa, yes, she's an amazing artist, katai, like she's amazing. But Akila more. So I'd say Akila. Have you ever posted something on social media that you regret? Not really. I've never posted, but I would say I've ever posted something twice. So hiyo inaweza wekwa as posting something that you regret. I don't know. Tell me, guys. Who would you invite to your event between Ringtone and Willy Paul? I'd say Willy Paul. Ringtone imekuwa kitambo sana. I used to listen to his songs a long time ago, but nowadays I don't even know kama wanatoa nyimbo, honestly, to just say the truth. But Willy Paul nasikiza nyimbo zake and I feel like he's doing amazing, though anapotea huko na kule, but he's amazing. So definitely Willy Paul. I feel like namjua sana Willy Paul more than Ringtone. Yes. Ni DJ yupi ama radio presenter alikataa kucheza song zako? I don't think there's any DJs and any presenters ambaye alikataa kucheza song zangu, because tangu nianze muziki I've always, kuna that friendly invitation from all the DJs and presenters, so it has been easier for me. Yeah, so hakuna DJ yoyote. All of them are amazing. What is your biggest achievement in music? My biggest achievement in music? Definitely deciding that I want to do music professionally and business-wise. So that is the biggest achievement, because knowing me personally, I've been shy my whole life. Na kuanza kufanya muziki, that is a very big step. So hiyo tu kutoa nyimbo ya kwanza hata kama ilikuwa ni cover, that was the biggest achievement in my life. Alafu definitely kutoa EP, my EP called The African Sound Queen. That was a very bold step that I did, me and my team. So yeah, that is one of the achievements. And also work na Mejja in the collaboration ambaye ilitolewa. So yeah. Je, nini ambacho wanamuziki wa Nairobi wanafanya tofauti sana na wa Mombasa? Definitely not staying in their comfort zone. I feel like watu wa Mombasa wanakanga tu wametulia, like nothing huwa inawashtua, hawana haraka about their life and everything. As long as I have a place to stay, I'm eating, I pay my rent, I'm good to go. I just wanna stay. Na watu wachache wananifahamu muziki wangu, I'm good to stay here, niko sawa. But like in Nairobi, a lot of people have higher dreams. They have goals. Na wanafanya kazi, huku watu wanafanya kazi. And I like the speed. Niendana na mimi. Mbona hujawahi fanya collab na Susumila? Actually, Susumila, I've never thought about it. I've never thought of working with Susumila, but chance ikija, mbona nisifanye? Yeah, because Susumila is one of the biggest artists in Coast, so definitely I would want to work with him someday. Chance ikija. But now, I'm working on my stuff and my goals. Ikija, why not? Who's your best Kenyan female artist between Jovel and Nadia Mukami? Ooh, that's a tricky one too, because they're doing amazing. Jovel, napenda nyimbo zake. I love her vocals, how she sings. Nadia Mukami, she's a good singer. And plus napenda pia vile najibeba, and she's short like me, so I'd say Nadia, because we've ever met and I at least namjua kiasi, not that much. We've ever met and we kind of relate to each other, kind of. So definitely Nadia. Jovio sijaipatana na yeye, that's why I wouldn't say her, but anaimba vizuri. Unafikiria kuna wasanii Mombasa wanaotumia ushirikina? Kama kuna, unaweza wataja? Hizi maswali very challenging. Okay, mi sipendi kutaja anyone. I won't say anyone, but definitely yes. Okay, me personally as an artist, mi nakwanga tunajishughulisha with my own stuff, stay on my own lane, do my own stuff. Kama ni collabo, if it's my songs, travel and all that stuff. But I've been hearing some rumors here and there, and I wouldn't say who it is because naweza kuwa nasema hivi na ni rumors, si ukweli. So hapo kati ya Masauti na Susumila, unaona nani ndio msanii bora Mombasa? I'd definitely say Masauti. Masauti tunajuana naye vizuri, and you should definitely expect a collab very soon. So mimi naweza sema Masauti. Susumila sijamjua, yes tunapatana na yeye kwa show, lakini sijamjua vile vizuri. Masauti tumeketi na yeye tukaongea vitu kama hizo, so definitely Masauti. Ni msanii gani umewahi fanya naye kazi na akakusumbua sana? Imagine there isn't. I've worked with Mejja, Rigandandi, who else? Mbona nasahau majina? So many artists. Yes. Joe Face na watu wengine that I can't even remember. Oh my gosh. Memory kaput. Anyways, hakuna ambia shenisumbua. Everything iliflow vile na style. We did amazing job. They're amazing artists. Hatukusumbuana huku na huku, tulifanya kazi na tuka release, tukatoa kitu kizuri. So that's it for the questions.